Hey guys, this is question number 10 from Miscellaneous Linear Inequalities, Class 11 NCERT book. Okay, so this is for CBSE board. These are the equations that we have to solve using inequalities. Okay, let's try to simplify. So this is 5 2s are 10x, 7 5s are 35 minus 6x, and this will become minus 9 less than 0. Okay, up see here 10x and 6x will be how much? 10 minus 6 is 4x. Okay, now see here minus 35 and minus 9 will be how much? Together will be minus 44 less than 0. Okay, so 4x, this 44 can go other side. This will become plus 44, right? Can I divide by 4 both sides? Because we want only x. We are looking only for x. We don't want this 4. So I am dividing by 4 and 4 cancel. And this is 11. So x is less than equal to 11. This is first part is done. Let's see next part. In this, let me collect this here and this here. So 2x minus 6x less than equal to 47 minus 90. So how much will it become? This minus this is 4 minus 4x, correct? Less than equal to this, and this minus is 28. We don't want minus 4. So how to change it? We have to divide it by minus 4 number. Okay, to cancel it minus 4 and 28 by minus 4. Inequalities in these type of questions, whenever we divide by a negative number, what happens? You remember everyone? This will change, and instead of less than, it will become greater than. And then x is more than equal to, this is minus 7, correct? So I am getting this. If I show it on a number line, so how will it look like? See here, this is a number line. Okay, suppose it is going from minus infinity to plus infinity, and this is 0. So plus 11, correct? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Suppose here is 11 plus 11 and 7 minus 7 will be this side, correct? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 7. Okay, so this is saying less than equal to 11. Less than equal to 11 means 11 is included, but it is less than means left side. Okay, according to this, more than equal to, so this is dark circle. Dark matlab 7 is included. Okay, just like that 11 was included here, and it is more than. More than means the solution will be this side. Okay, so which area seems to be common? Only this area seems to be common. If I want to highlight it, this area is the solution. So I can write that x will be less than equal to 11 but more than equal to minus 7. This is the total answer. Okay, let's see next question. So this is question number 11 from Miscellaneous Exercise Linear Inequality. It is saying a solution to be kept 68 to 77 in Fahrenheit. You check the Fahrenheit. What is the temperature range in degrees? So this is the relationship which is given between Fahrenheit and degree centigrade. So in Fahrenheit, they are saying temperature should be more than 68 but less than 77. Fine. So can I write 9 by 5c plus 32 more than 68 less than 77? Okay. Now our focus will be on c. We want to extract c. So we don't want 32, we don't want 9, we don't want 5. How to get rid of that? This 32 we don't want. Can I subtract 32 from all? From all means this side, and this side. Correct? So 68 minus 32, 9 by 5c plus 32 minus 32 less than 77 minus 32. Okay? All three sides we subtracted. So what is this minus this? this is 36 less than 9 by 5c. This 32 and 32 will cancel. Perfect. Less than, what is this minus this? 77 minus 32 is 45. Now I don't want this 5. I don't want this 9. How to get rid of 5? Can I multiply by 5 in each term and divide by 9? Correct? So let me do it. Multiply by 5 and divide by 9 in each. So what will happen? 36 by 5 into 9. I am multiplying by 5 and dividing by 9. So dividing by 9, multiply by 5. 9 by 5 into 5 by 9c less than 45. So multiply by 5 and divide by 9. Okay? So whatever we are doing, we have to do in each term. See, I am doing 5 by 9 here, 5 by 9 here, 5 by 9 here. In each term, it has to be same. So this will cancel, which is 20. This will cancel, which is only c. And this is 9 5s are, which is 25. So this is the range of temperature in degree centigrade. Shall we do next question? Okay. Here is question number 22. How to solve it? They have 8% of boric acid solution and 2% of solution. So by mixing these two, suppose you have 8% solution and 2% solution. By mixing of 8%, they are mixing 640 liters of 8%. Okay. So how much of 2% must be mixed? So suppose X liter you are mixing of 2% solution. So you are making a new solution which is getting ready. So they are saying overall percentage of this solution has to be somewhere between 4% and 6%. That is what they are saying. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6%. तो आपको what is given? जो आपको solution है, there are two solutions which are given. One is 8% solution and one is 2% solution. For this 640 liters they are mixing and 2% we don't know. Suppose X liters they are mixing. After mixing, the percentage which is getting ready is between 4% and 6%. This is the question. So total liters, how much will be ready? Total liters, if you are mixing 640 liters of 8%, correct? And 2% of X liters. So total how much solution is getting ready? How many liters? 640 plus X. Okay. So we have to find what is the value of X. Okay. So what we are mixing here? We are mixing 8% of 640 liters plus and 2% solution we are mixing X. Total percentage should be more than 4% of total. 4% of total will be how much? 4 by 100. 640 plus X because total liters is this. But less than 6%. 6% is 6 by 100. 6% of 640 plus X. This should be the condition for X. Okay. So now we will start solving this inequality. See here, in each term 100 is there. If you look carefully, there is 100, 100, 100, 100. So we can easily cancel to simplify it. Okay. So equation will be 4 640 plus X less than 8 into 640 plus 2X less than 6 into 640X. Can we make it little bit smaller each term? I feel 2 seems to be common. So I am dividing each term by 2 to make it little bit smaller. Okay. So what can we do here? This will cancel. 2 2s are. So I am getting 2 into 640 plus x less than, this will cancel, 4 into 640, 2 cancel, less than, this is 3 into 640 plus x. Correct? Now we will simplify a little bit further. This is the middle term. So multiply here 2 into this into this. So it will be 1280 plus 2x less than, this into this is 2560 plus x less than, this into this is 2560 plus 3x. Okay, you can multiply. Now see here, in all three terms there is x. Here is x, here is x, and here is x. So whenever in all three terms there is x and x, we divide it into two inequalities, two separate inequalities. How do we do it? One we take from here, these two, and one we make from here. Okay, these two combine together to make one inequality, and these two together. See here, 1280 plus 2x less than 2560 plus x, and here will be 2560 plus x less than, I'm sorry, I think this was 640 into 3 is 19. I'm sorry guys, 640 into this is nothing but, this will be 1920. I'm sorry, 1920. So it will be, please do correction. So it is 1920 plus 3x. So we made two inequalities. Okay, this part separate and this part separate. Okay, now what we will get? This x will come here and this here. So 2x minus x less than 2560 minus 1280. So this will be x is less than 1280. You can simplify it. Okay. Here if we see, here this is bigger. 3x is bigger than x. So I can take x here and this here. So 2560 minus 1920 less than 3x minus x. Okay, so how much we will get? This we will get 640 less than 2x. ये 2 नहीं चाहिए, we don't want this 2, so divide by 2. So 2 and 2 cancel, this is 320. So I am getting here 320 is less than x. Okay, I'm sorry, if I combine these two answers, what is the final answer? The value of x. So x seems to be more than 320 if I combine this, and but less than 1280 liters. So these many liters of the second solution should be mixed to get the appropriate percentage of the solution. Okay, the second solution, which is 2%, should be mixed little bit more than 320. See here, they were asking how much 2% solution should be mixed. So it should be more than 320 liters but less than 1280. Okay, let's see next question. So here is question number 13. Listen carefully. They are saying how many liters of water has to be added to 1125 liter of 45% solution of acid. Matlab, this is your solution. How many liters? 1125 liters, and which have 45% of acid. Okay, so how much is the acid here? Actually, acid in this solution is how much? 45% of 1125. This much is the solution. This much of the acid is present in this solution because 45% acid is present. So this much will be the acid. They are saying you want to mix this in water. You want to pour some water here, maybe x liters, so that you want to mix x liter of water, so that now the percentage of acid is 25% to 30% of acid content. So you want that acid, the total acid, total acid in this solution should be more than 25% but less than 30% of total solution. Correct. The total acid is still this much. No matter how much water you add in this, acid is this much only. Acid will be 45 by 100 into 1125. This has to be more than 25% of total solution. Total solution will be how much? Total solution will be 1125 liter was already there and x liters we are mixing. ठीक है, तो it will be 1125 plus x, उसका 25% and less than 30% of total mixture, which is 1125 plus x. So this is the inequality that we are supposed to solve. So equation, I hope it is clear. Now we will simplify it. So we have to calculate the suitable value of x. So you can see there are two possible values. See, one is x here and one x is here. So we will make two equations. One equation taking these two and one equation taking these two. Okay. So let me make equations. So I am making two equations. 25 by 100 1125 plus x less than 45 by 100 into 1125, and second will be 45 by 100 1125 is less than 30% of 1125 plus x. Fine. Now solution, this is same, 100 will cancel. Can we simplify further? So we can write 25 into, this is into, don't mix it with x. Okay, if I write big X, after some time this cross and this x will get mixed. So always be careful when you have to multiply along with x, write it into 1125 plus 25x less than 45 into 1125. Okay, so we can write 25x is less than, this number will go there. So 45 into 1125 minus 25 into 1125. So if you simplify it, you can take 1125 common, 1125 common. So it is 45 minus 25, which is nothing but 20. Correct? Now we need x. So can I divide by 25 both sides? Yes or no? We can divide. So let me see what we will get. This is cancelling. And if you cut it by 5 and further simplify, this will come out to be, if you multiply 1125 into 4 divided by 5, this comes out to be 900. Now we will solve it. Here both sides 100 can be cancelled easily. Okay. Now this is 45 into 1125 is less than 30 into 1125 plus 30x. X we will hold here only. This can go there. Okay. So if this will come here, I can take 45 minus 30. 1125 I am taking common. This is common. 1125 common less than 30x. What is this minus this? 15 into 1125 less than 30x. And now I can divide by 30. Okay. So this is 15 twos are. So if you solve it, this comes out to be 562.5. So we get two possible values of x. Okay. You can see clearly that x should be more than 562.5 but less than 900 liters of water. So this much we should mix water, little bit more than 562 liters but less than 900 meters, so that we get the desired percentage of acid in the solution. Next question. Here is last question of your miscellaneous exercise. They are saying IQ of a person is given by the formula mental age by chronicle age into 100. So this is the IQ formula, mental age by chronicle age into 100. So they are saying if IQ has to be more than 80. They want it to be more than equal to 80 but less than 140 for 12 years of age of children. 12 year matlab chronicle age is 12 years. Chronicle means actual age in years is 12 years. So what will be the mental age? So mental age may be sometimes less than the actual age or maybe more than. If some children are learning at a slow speed, so their mental age may be less than 12 years. And if a child is learning at a higher place, his mental age may be little bit higher than 12 years, correct? So we have to find what will be the mental age, MA. So let me write down MA by CA which is 12, which is given to us 12 years. It should be more than 80 but less than 140, correct? So we need NA. So what should I do? I should get rid of 12 somehow and 100. We don't want. So can I multiply by 12 everywhere? 12, 12, 12. Okay. Let me do it. So 80 into 12 more than MA into 100 by 12 into 12 less than 140 into 12. So here 12 will cancel. Okay. Now we don't want this 100 also. So I can divide by 100, divide by 100 and divide by 100 each term, correct? So if we simplify it, so this is cancelling. So I will get 2 5s are and 2 4s are. So 48 by 5 less than equal to, this is 100 and 100 cancel, MA is less than, this is cancelling. Then 2 5s are, 2 6 are. So 84 by 5. If I further simplify, so I will get MA, if we divide 48 by 5 is 9.6 and 84 by 5 is 16.8 years. So a child which has actually 12 years of age may be having a mental age of 9.6 years to 16.8 years. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and send it to your friends. Thank you so much. Bye.